Hello, I'm just gonna do an updated toolbox tour since it's been about a year since I uploaded my last video. So just start off at the top. Get a Milwaukee 18-volt charger, snap-on catalog. This power strip back here came from Harbor Freight. Got a blue point pin magnet. Snap-on 14-4 chargers. Snap-on 18-volt, snap-on light. Paper towel holder from Harbor Freight. Laptop for doing diagnostics on trucks and tractors. Gear wrench, 1/2-inch hex sockets. Snap-on hex sockets, 3/8 drive. More snap-on hex sockets. Snap-on universal sockets. Snap-on 1/2-inch drive impacts. Snap-on 3/8 drive impacts. Snap-on 1/2-inch drive impacts. SK 1/2-inch sockets. New snap-on, or newer, I guess it's been out for a little bit, but new snap-on flex head. Snap-on 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. Snap-on 3/8 drive chrome. Snap-on 3/8 drive chrome. Mac 1/4 inch and snap-on semi-deep. Snap-on pry bar, Harbor Freight lady's foot pry bars, scraper, chisels, snap-on mini pry bar, wood chisel, snap-on chisel, snap-on files, Harbor Freight needle file set, snap-on tap set, snap-on tap wrench, bigger files, more snap-on files, plug insert tools, repairing tires, snap-on punches, more snap-on punches, snap-on Allen wrenches, cheapo Harbor Freight Allen wrenches, Milwaukee impact, Milwaukee drill, Milwaukee 18-volt, Milwaukee sawzall. Snap-on line wrenches, metric line wrenches, snap-on crow's feet line wrenches, and a snap-on impact set. Some hammers. I'm missing one of my hammers right now. It's over here on a pickup I'm working on. Dead blow soft face, 40 ounce snap-on dead blow, and just a cheap Harbor Freight. C-clamp, pullers, clutch alignment tool, puller for Polaris razor clutches, Scotch-Brite, sanding pads, snap-on cordless grinder, standard wrench drawer, snap-on blue point ratcheting wrenches, array battery, side terminal battery tool, some ignition wrenches, and metric over here. Snap-on screwdriver set, snap-on pick set, snap-on miniature screwdriver set, snap-on drill bit set, snap-on extractor set, Napa, Carlisle extractor set, stubbies, carbon scraper, Napa screwdriver, pick, and a long Craftsman screwdriver, and a torch cleaner and radio removal tool. Snap-on 14-4 light, lifesaver light, snap-on phone charger, snap-on sander, snap-on cordless screwdriver, 18-volt battery, snap-on CT761 3/8 drive, impact. That is the best thing I think in this whole toolbox. Snap-on 3/8 drive electric ratchet, snap-on 18-volt drill, snap-on 18-volt impact, and snap-on 14-volt and 18-volt battery. Pliers drawer, 9-10-piece set of vice grips, blue point, feeler gauges. This nice tool for doing those pesky hose clamps. Snap-on 25-foot tape, snap-on test light, snap-on torch, Mac tools, mostly Mac tool pliers, Mac mini plier set, Matco stuff down there. Air tool drawer, hardly ever use this except for this, for storing a pickup that we're storing right now. Bottom drawer, pipe cutter, welding vice grips, snap-on pry bar, long snap-on ratchet, extensions, mostly snap-on, 1/2-inch drive, wobble plus, wobble, snap-on ratchets, soft grip, non-soft grip, flex head, long. You get the gist, and another snap-on set back there. Ratcheting wrenches. Mostly bigger wrenches. Another turbo socket set. Manifold pressure set. Snap ring plier set. Pulley puller. Blue point. And a 1-inch drive socket set. And some more bigger sockets down here. And a 1-inch drive extension. Basically what I use for a roll cart. Hex wrenches, some pliers, pipe wrench. Valve stem tool, brake spring tool, panel puller, long panel puller, seal pullers, hose picks, some wiring stuff, some more wiring stuff, snap-on power probe, snap-on soulless scanner, and a battery service tool, or a battery tester. Over here, we got another set. This is the stuff for the Next IQ for scanning big trucks. Long screwdriver set. Wrench for taking off filters. O-ring assortment, cotter pin assortment. Snap-on multimeter compression gauge tester, quick OBD scanner, converter from OBD2 to OBD1 tester. Lima box, bigger wrenches, pretty much everything. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate you just tuning in. We'll see y'all next time.